dedicate myself to preserve the unity, integrity and security of the nation.
मैं सत्यनिष्ठा से शपथ लेता हूँ कि मैं राष्ट्र की एकता, अखंडता और सुरक्षा को बनाए रखने के लिए स्वयं को समर्पित करूँगा और अपने देशवासियों के बीच एक संदेश फैलाने काफी भरसक प्रयत्न करूँगा। मैं एक शब्द अपने देश की एकता की भावना से ले रहा हूँ जिसे सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल की दूरदर्शिता एवं कार्य द्वारा संभव बनाया जा सका। मैं अपने देश की आंतरिक सुरक्षा सुनिश्चित करने के लिए अपना योगदान करने काफी सत्यनिष्ठा से संकल्प करता हूँ।
The Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
I solemnly pledge to dedicate myself to preserve the unity, integrity and security.
I solemnly pledge that I dedicate myself to preserve the unity, integrity.
I solemnly pledge that I dedicate myself
Contribution to ensure internal security of my country.
The spirit of unification of my country, which was
I solemnly pledge that I dedicate myself to preserve
internal security of my country. Jai Hind.
I solemnly pledge that I dedicate myself to preserve
Of my country. Jai Hind.
I solemnly pledge that I dedicate
my country, which was made possible by the vision.
so strive hard to spread this message in the spirit of unification of my country, which was made
among my fellow countrymen.
To preserve the unity, integrity and security.
I pledge that I dedicate myself
to preserve the
My
security of nation.
and also
I solemnly pledge that I dedicate myself
pledge in the spirit of unification of my country.
Internal security of my country.
By the vision and actions of Sardar Vallabhbhai.
pledge Rashtriya Ekta Divas.
I solemnly pledge that I dedicate myself to preserve
and security of the nation.
I take this pledge in the spirit of
among my fellow countrymen.
Pledge Rashtriya Ekta Divas. I solemnly
contribution to ensure
Made possible by the vision and the action.
in the spirit of unification of my country.
Patel. I also solemnly resolve to make my own contribution to
my own contribution the spirit of unification of my country.
Internal security of my country.
I solemnly pledge that I dedicate
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Security of my country. Solemnly pledge that I dedicate myself.
Rashtriya Ekta Divas pledge. I solemnly pledge that I decided myself to preserve the unity, integrity
message among my fellow countrymen. Take the of the nation and also strive hard to spread this message
and also strive hard to spread this message among my
fellow countrymen.
I take this pledge in the spirit of unification of my country.
which was made possible by the vision and action of Sardar Vallabhbhai. I take this pledge in the spirit of unification of my country.
सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल की दूरदर्शित एवं कार्य द्वारा संभव बनाया जा
I take this pledge in the spirit of unification of my country. Also solemnly resolve to make my own contribution.
Patel. I also solemnly resolve to make my own contribution
I take this pledge in the spirit of unification of my country.
Pledge in the spirit of unification of my country.
Resolved to make my own contribution to ensure internal security of my country. Jai Hind.